Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about where we look for inspiration. This may seem really obvious to some of you, but one of the most important things to do is look at the companies that are the most successful in your space. We've worked in a lot of different industries, and one thing we've noticed is that the most successful companies often share a lot in common. They have clear and effective marketing strategies, they create high quality content, and they engage with their customers and audiences in meaningful ways. That's why if you're a company that's trying to grow and succeed, it's important to look to the most successful companies in your space for inspiration. By studying the most successful companies' practices and strategies, you can learn lessons and capture insights that will help you improve your own initiatives. For example, by looking at your most successful competition, you can learn a lot about the channels and content that are most engaging to your audience. By leveraging that insight, you can get a head start in developing your own marketing strategies to target similar markets. If you need help narrowing down where to look for inspiration, that's something our team can help you with, and I encourage you to book a strategy session. Our experts will take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.